Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lamborghini Aventador. First, you'll need to thoroughly research the various replica kits available and decide on a suitable donor car. It's crucial to understand the legal requirements for registering a custom-built vehicle in your area. Also, prepare a detailed budget. The cost for parts alone can easily exceed $50,000, not including labor or specialized tools. Once your donor car is ready, the next step involves preparing its chassis for the significant modifications required. You'll then mount the custom frame and all new suspension components, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned for safety and performance. After the frame is solid, carefully fit the fiberglass or carbon fiber body panels, paying close attention to gaps and alignment for that authentic look. With the body taking shape, it's time to install the engine and transmission, making sure they are perfectly aligned and secured. Next, you'll tackle the intricate electrical system, wiring everything from the headlights to the dashboard gauges. Finally, focus on the interior, customizing it with high-quality seats, a detailed dashboard, and all the trim pieces to create a luxurious and functional cabin. The final stages involve applying a professional paint job and clear coat to achieve that stunning, showroom-quality finish. After the paint cures, conduct thorough final inspections and comprehensive safety checks on all systems before its first drive. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your new ride smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.